In this video, we discuss how to prepare for the initial bonding appointment with the Brava system. The initial bonding has 5 phases. The first phase is tray preparation. First, gather the required materials that you'll use to prepare the Brava indirect bonding trays or IDB trays. You can find ordering information for these products on the Brava supply list. This list of products is made available for print or download from the Resource Center on BRIUS OneSource. The Brava supply list is stored in the Instructions for Use folder, along with step-by-step bonding instructions and other helpful information. Here's a tip. The instructions for indirect bonding Brava brackets are specifically designed to reduce bond failures and minimize patient chair time. Skipping a step may save a few minutes, but you run the risk of adding extra time to the appointment. Also, when using light cure materials to pre-paste brackets, care must be taken to avoid pre-curing the adhesive, which weakens its bond strength. Select an area with as little direct light as possible to prepare the Brava IDB trays. Preparing the IDB trays in a well-lit room may cause the adhesive to pre-cure if left exposed to a light source, and that can add chair time. Prepare one IDB tray segment at a time to minimize light exposure. Now you're ready to pre-paste the IDB trays. Start by dispensing a surplus primer into a mixing well, and using a micro brush, apply a very thin layer of primer onto every bracket pad in the IDB tray segment. Avoid touching the tray with primer because it can adhere to the tray material, and that can increase cleanup time. And remember to use a dry micro brush to remove any excess primer. Then, use a curing light and light cure a surplus primer in a sweeping motion around the tray for about 10 seconds. This prevents the primer from being too runny, which makes it harder to apply the adhesive. Next, dispense one of the required adhesives directly onto each bracket pad in the tray. Avoid using excess adhesive because it can lead to flash, which takes extra time to clean up once it's light cured. Use a micro brush to spread out the adhesive and massage it into the undercuts on the mesh pad for about 5 seconds per bracket. A thin layer of adhesive should cover the entire surface of each bracket pad. Add more adhesive if needed, because using too little can lead to unwanted debonds. Immediately store the pre-pasted IDB tray segment in a container and place it in a dark place. Then, select another tray segment and follow the same procedures until all tray segments are pre-pasted and stored in a dark area. Well, that concludes Phase 1 of the initial bonding procedures for the Brava system. Next, we discuss Phase 2, teeth preparation.